Why would you buy a new construction home when you can get a home like this for less money with so much better upgrades, even in a special section right here in Sienna that's zoned to the schools you want to be zoned to? Welcome to 2111 Plaza Ridge. And again, it's in the special section of Sienna. 5 beds, 4.5 baths, just at 5,000 square foot. And it's got a guest room ensuite downstairs. You're gonna love it. Let's go check it out.